Hello everyone, Ollie the Repair Dude is here again. In this video, I'll be talking about iRemoval Pro Premium 3.0 A12 Plus with signal after the Apple patches a few months ago. As you can see here, I already restored my iPhone 12 mini to iOS 17.7 on activation lock, as you can see here clearly. Now let's get started with the video. Download iRemoval Pro Premium 3.0 from the iRemoval Pro website. I'll be giving the link in the description below, not to worry too much. Open the folder, right click on iRemoval Pro exe and open Run as Administrator. It is very important to run as administrator, otherwise the tool will auto-close. As you can see here, it detected my iPhone 12 mini I connected to my PC with. Let it check for eligibility. Once say your device is supported for A12 Plus signal bypass, contact your provider to register your serial number or wait for it to be ready. That means you can register your iPhones for iRemoval Pro signal. You can register to me, and the registration details will be given in the description below, not to worry too much. I'll be registering my own personal serial number for this iPhone 12 mini. It will take up to 7 days or a week due to the recent batch delays for all A12 Plus bypasses. So please be more understanding if it takes a long time for your serials to be registered and processed successfully.
Several days later.
Finally, iRemoval Pro Premium Edition A12 Plus batches are completed, and moreover, iRemoval Pro Premium Edition already updated a few times to fix some bugs. Open the latest available version of iRemoval Pro Premium Edition as of recording of this video, which is 3.1.1, the version number. Right click the iRemoval Pro exe with Run Administrator. Still in activation lock state, the iPhone 12 mini I just registered. Let it check. This will take some time. It says service A12 Plus signal. Click activate. Now let it do its magic. This will take some time.
A few moments later.
Boom! Your device has been successfully activated. Let me try the SIM card slot on this iPhone. Take out the SIM card slot. I just made a test call with this phone. With this iPhone 12 mini, it finally successfully bypassed my device. Insert the SIM card, which is my Heya SIM card, which is a Singapore provider SIM card. It says Heya, as you can see, Heya. Now I make a call to the telco online. Don't use FaceTime. Make a call. As you can see, calls work. See message as well. SMS come out about my SIM card. Turn off Wi-Fi. It gets 4G signal. Open Bing. Look at this. Mobile data works on 4G. That's all for this video about the iRemoval Pro Premium Edition. Please do like, share and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I hope everyone have a great day ahead. See you in the next video.